All right, this is Taylor Wells and
Ebraheem Alhendi.
this is our part one of our lab project with the blinky light. There's our board blinking one light, and here is our code that we just uploaded. Okay, this is our second part of our lab two, with the 4 LED lights are in there already in the board to blink. And so here's our code, and we're gonna come down to here, and we're gonna move our code over to our board like that, and then we're gonna come over to here and hit reset, and all 4 of our lights will blink at 1 second apart. Be on for 1 second, off for 1 second, and it's working and it's looping. All right, this is part 3 of our lab 1 project with the external LED along with the 4 internal LEDs. Here's our code. As you can see, the very first part of the while loop is with our external LED, and then we have our first internal LED, then the number 4, then the number 3, then number 2, and then we come over here, and you see our red just went off, our first one went off, our 4th internal, 3rd internal, 2nd internal, and then the red will go off, and then the whole thing repeats. Okay, this is part 4 of our first lab. We attached a switch, and in our code we have a digital in for our switch at pin 7, and we made a loop that if it is a 0, that our red light will blink, and if the switch is not a 0, then the internal LEDs will blink, as shown in this code. And we got some of this code, we got the idea from our textbook right here for the if-else statement. And here is our circuit. And this is with the switch at a 1, and you can see the lights are blinking for the internal lights, and then we switch it to a 0. Then we see our red light blinks, and our internal LEDs do not blink. Okay, this is part 5 of lab 1. This is where we hook the board up with our serial port, and we use this Hello program that we got from the Embed site, and we uploaded it to our Embed board, and we come over to our serial reader, and we already ran it once and it says hello world, but if we come over here and we hit the button again and it'll run again, we'll see that it worked again and it says hello world again. And this is the end of our report. We've done all 5 instructions.